Hello everyone, today we are here at Art of Motorcycles with our close friend Zoheb. He is the brain behind Art of Motorcycle. Of course, Junaid, his brother, also is a very crucial part of this garage, Art of Motorcycle, and we are with Art of Motorcycles from a very long time. Now today we are here to discuss something about the product FuelX, which has been extensively used by Art of Motorcycle for their street motorcycle as well on their rally motorcycles. So Zoheb, what do you have to tell about the product here today?
See, once again, I would want to welcome you guys to Art of Motorcycles, the whole team of Powertronics. They have been really helpful in terms of all the service support and also with the product support for us. So firstly, coming to this bike, what we have displayed and this trophy over here. So this particular bike, we have used this product as a testing, and also we have used to the harsh weather condition that was in Spiti for the Rally of Himalayas. Also coming to the results, this bike did overall 4th position, in Himalayan category 1st position, and I would give more credits on the high altitude for the FuelX Pro, what we were being supplied by the Powertronics. Without that, this we would have done.
Yeah, and going back to our testing phases, Zoheb and Junaid both have tested this product extensively. Before they used it on their professional motorcycle, they have tested it on their personal motorcycles, like on their Adventure and on the other Himalayan. And how was the testing phase for you guys?
See, absolutely, when it comes to the high altitude testing, initially everyone knows how this fuel injection works and how this carburetors used to work, especially the region of Leh, Himachal and Spiti. Everyone has to tune their air screws and ride on their carbs. So with this FuelX, it was so easy. We had 10 downloaded maps. According to the altitude, the rider and the racers has to just click one button and the bike is ready to cruise in higher speeds. We have rich and lean just with one click. So this was very useful, and the professional rally of Himalayas, it was very useful for us.
And we are glad we even share a small part of this trophy, as in they have used this device on the motorcycle, and it helped them to procure the victory on the rally of Himalayas. So
coming to the 390 Adventure also, because I own a 390 Adventure which is from the first batch, the 2020 batch of 390 Adventure, that had a lot of low-end issues, and I tried doing a lot of stuff as owning a garage and having all the technical knowledge. But what effect this FuelX Pro has given me on that, my bike doesn't have that hiccups anymore. So all thanks to this product and the whole team actually, because you guys might not know, they are so passionate even for rally racing, and also the support what they are giving for the customers is mind-blowing.
Okay, Zoheb, thank you so much for your kind words. And hopefully, the coming up rally also will, introduce some more new products with Zoheb, and that is a little bit under secrecy. So we'll come out with a video about that too very soon.
I just want you guys to just hold the trophy, because even you bear this winning of our this. Come in. You both standing there. Oh, boy, FuelX Pro. Boy, now cancel boy, ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನನ್ನ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ Powertronics, ನಾವು Art of Motorcycles ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಂಗೆ.